864 days to new halving. Fear and greed is 41, which is fear. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 51.2k. Still trading below the 53k, but after a breakout of the downtrend resistance channel, we are having a nice upside, which is pretty nice. So it seems like a reversal based on a 4-hour time frame. We need to break 51.8k, would be pretty nice. On a daily, we already had a higher high close compared to the December. So compared to the whole December that we were trading. So this is pretty nice. So let's move on to the indicators, and obviously based on a 4-hour time frame and a daily, 60k is our current main resistance and 47k is our current main support. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame indicators. RSI is looking overbought, currently sitting at 70% on the 4-hour time frame. MACD in a green phase, which is pretty nice. Volume is kind of average right now, if you're not gonna take the pump that we had a couple hours ago. So yeah, on a daily time frame, we're currently trading in the middle of 5200 MA. 50 MA is still on a daily time frame having some course to the downside, which can lead to the dead cross in a 1-2 months approximately if it's gonna continue the trend. Volume average, MACD green phase, pretty nice. RSI neutral. Weekly time frame, we're currently trading above the 50 MA but below the 21 MA, which is on a weekly time frame still pretty bearish for the midterm, but we are getting closer for the 21 MA. Volume average, MACD red phase, RSI neutral. Monthly, no changes. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for the day. Let's move on to the news. The FBI, in collaboration with Citibank, Sony and Japanese law enforcement, has taken action to return more than 150 million in funds that were allegedly stolen from a subsidiary in Tokyo-based Sony Group Corporation, which is the Sony Life Insurance Company. So the US Department of Justice detailed, as a result of this coordinated effort investigation, investors obtained the private keys, I don't know how, but somehow they did it, that was needed to access the Bitcoin address, which was on a cold wallet, those money. So the whole story, this guy Reishi, he was the employee of Sony Life Insurance Company in Tokyo, and allegedly he stole 150 million in May and transferred those funds to the to his account at California, and then he quickly converted those funds to the Bitcoin, and then he transferred those funds to the cold wallet. So kind of he made the money for this company, because when he stole this money and transferred to the Bitcoin, it was worth 150 million, but now it's worth 180, even more if you're gonna look at the current price. So he kind of stole the money and then he made the money for them, considering they're gonna have, probably gonna have the full price back. I don't know, maybe not, maybe FBI is just gonna take the difference. Would be pretty interesting. So US lawmakers planning to introduce comprehensive crypto bill in the next year. So in a Thursday report, Bloomberg said that Loomis' proposed bill aimed to provide regulatory clarity on stablecoins, guide regulators as to which crypto belong to different asset classes, and offer consumer protection. In addition, the US senators reportedly proposed creating an organization under the joint jurisdiction of the SEC and SFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, to oversee the crypto market. So obviously this bill will be introduced in the next year in the US. So obviously in the next year will be pretty interesting in the crypto world, and considering that US will take this whole crypto market more seriously. Also, apparently global search interest for the NFTs is suppressing crypto for the first time ever. based on a Google Trends, obviously, and apparently people already know what crypto means, so now they confused what NFT means. Now they're searching for the NFTs, for the definition of NFTs. Also, over 120 billion pours into crypto market in a day, and Bitcoin reclaims 51k. So as you can imagine, majority of those money went to the crypto, not just to the Bitcoin. So as you can imagine, a lot of altcoins are pumping, specifically small ones. So yeah, and other major ones is obviously following the Bitcoin. So yeah, there's that. Also, this video is sponsored by crypto clothing store bullcrypto.com. You can pick any crypto clothing that you want. If you're gonna use the promo code HODLER, you're gonna have a discount. So yeah, that's pretty much all news and TA for today. Obviously hoping for a 60k test in a next month. Maybe this month would be pretty bullish scenario. Yeah, pretty parabolic, to be honest. But yeah, we got a lot of hope, and we got nice vibes for the Christmas, and obviously to the moon.